This is an elevator door control system using the DDC-60 door card along with the FM-5 monitoring board. If the FM-5 is not present, an additional input path must be added. A flat cable connects the door card to the monitoring board, carrying both power and signal. To provide status feedback to the main control panel, Terminal 02 is used for full close monitoring and Terminal 03 for full open monitoring. 100 power is applied to the center terminals of the 3-pin blocks. Power can be taken from one and bridged to the other, depending on the panel configuration, whether it requires normally open, NO, or normally closed, NC signals. Either K16 or K19 is connected to the MEC. You can reverse the logic as needed by using the NO contact to match the system's requirements.